Hello. How to use stone breaker to replace poultry drugs. Immune booster, poultry vets will never tell you. If you're a poultry farmer, this is the plant we call stone breaker. I've introduced this particular video on my last video. You can see this is called stone breaker. Watch this plant very well. This is stone breaker. How to use stone breaker to replace poultry drugs. Immune boosters, vets don't want you to use, because if you use it, if you're using this stone breaker, you will not be coming to their clinic for consultation any longer. You can see it. It is called stone breaker. You know, before you are called stone, stone means something that is very strong, something that is very difficult, something that is very rugged. This is a rugged plant. It is, you can see, it has tiny leaves. It is a wonderful plant. Are you a poultry farmer? You want to make difference? This particular plant is for you. Are you tired of spending money on poultry drugs that don't work? What if I should let you know in this particular video that there are natural herbs that can protect your poultry, birds, and other animals, boost their immunity better than most antibiotics you spend huge amount of money in buying from veterinary shops, and you still make a lot of profit? Most vets don't talk about this particular plant because they don't want you to use it. If you use it, you're not coming back to them for consultation, and you're no more buying their drugs any longer. In this particular video, I will show you how to use stone breaker, also known as Phyllanthus Niruri, that is the botanical name, to replace synthetic drugs in your poultry farm. You will learn how to use it and how it works, how to prepare it, and how to give it to your poultry birds for strong immunity, healthy growth, and fewer mortality. That is what you are going to learn. Are you a beginner in poultry farming, or you are an experienced farmer looking for organic alternatives? This natural solution will change your poultry farm entirely and position you for process of making profit that people will see and say, how manage? No more overusing of antibiotics or worrying about resistance of diseases to antibiotics. Stone breaker or Phyllanthus Niruri is a small plant. You can see it is very small and tiny, very small. It's a small plant that grows in many parts of Africa and Asia. It is famous in traditional medicine for treating kidney stones and liver problems in humans. But in poultry, it is a hidden gem, a hidden plant. Here is what it does for your poultry birds. It boosts the immune system. It helps to detoxify the liver. It improves digestion. It fights bacteria and viruses naturally. It supports organ health and prevents internal stress. Now, do you want to make use of this particular plant? Let me know on the comment section. If yes is your answer, make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't skip any of the tracks at all, because I'm going to open your eyes. I'm going to expose something that you never imagined before, that this tiny plant that does wonders in human health naturally can do wonders in your poultry and livestock farming. This, you can see how tiny the grass is, and it is a common grass that grows all around. I'm going to a video where we plug these ones. You see here that they are very common. You even pay people money to weed it off. Are you a poultry farmer and you want to make profit? Please, profit starts from watching this video to the end. Like this video, give it a thumb up immediately, and make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers at the end of it. And always drop your comment. If you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic, always drop it on this particular platform. Drop it here. Don't send the message to me on WhatsApp or any other platform at all. I will not answer it. And drop your questions here. If you have 1,000 questions, drop it here. If you give me 1,000 questions, I will give you 1,001 answers instead of reducing the question, please. But don't send the question to any other platform you know me at all. Don't send it there. The number I post on this particular video or any of my videos is for order of my product alone, not for asking me examination questions. Don't greet me on those platforms. I don't need your greeting there, please. What I need there is your candidate. That's all. Please, every question should come here. Drop your questions on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Let's get to the root of this particular plant. What are the medicinal value of this particular properties of stonebreaker in poultry? Phyllanthus Niruri is the botanical name. How is it used in poultry and livestock? 1. It's liver protection. Support and protect the liver. It helps to detoxify harmful substances in poultry feed or drugs. How do you use it? 0.5 to 1% of feed or 20 to 40 ml of the extract in clean water. It serves as antibacterial. It fights harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Clostridium. It fights harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella and reduces incidence of diarrhea and gut infections. What is the dosage? 1 to 2% of dry leaf powder. Mix it in their feed and get this result. It serves as antiviral. It helps strengthen resistance against viral infections like Newcastle disease, infectious brucell disease, and others. 30 to 50 ml of the extract per liter of water, 2 to 3 days in a week. Antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals in the body of poultry and livestock animals and improve immunity and overall health of your poultry and livestock animals. In short period of time, your poultry gets healthy and they're able to convert their feed and give you maximum result. It enhances stress tolerance, heat during vaccination. Dosage used alongside vitamins and herbal mixtures. Anti-inflammatory. It reduces internal inflammations, especially in the gut and respiratory tracts. That means this plant can help you to protect your birds against chronic respiratory diseases, CROD. It promotes better digestion and recovery after illness. Dosage. It can be combined with other herbs in feed or water also. It helps in urine promotion. It stimulates kidney function and flushes out toxins from the system. Usefulness during detoxification and after drug treatment. Caution, please, overuse can lead to dehydration. Provide clean water always. It serves as antiparasitic. It can help to control worms. Remember that worms fight your poultry best, compete with the feed, eat most of the feed you give them and extract the nutrients and reduces the feed conversion of your poultry best. So if you use this, it's going to combat the parasite, internal parasite, helps in expelling internal worms and parasite naturally. Dosage 2 to 3% dry powder in feed or 20 ml of the extract in 1 liter of water. It helps in immune booster. It stimulates and strengthens the immune system of your poultry birds. Help birds fight infections more effectively and easily. What is the dosage? Give them every week. Don't skip a day in a week if you are looking for this. This is a wonderful plant that you, as a poultry farmer, that want to make profit, that want to maximize their profit in poultry farming, should always use. Please, let me know if you like a specific herb recipe, including stonebreaker for your broiler and layers. Let me know on the comment section. And if you have any question regarding this particular topic or any other topic in poultry and livestock farming, please always drop it. If you have 1001 questions, drop it on the comment section. I will always answer them. Please don't send questions to me on other platforms. Don't send questions to me on other platforms, please. I'm ringing it as a bell. Bang, 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 bang. Don't send questions to me on other platforms. If you have my number on any of my video screen, please. That number is only for order, not to ask me questions, please, or for greetings. If you want greetings, greet me here. Any other thing outside here is order, please. Thank you for watching. If you need Eco Booster is on the process. Very soon, we are going to give you the batch 2 of Eco Booster. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful extract that helps to grow your poultry and livestock animals to a maximum weight. You are going to see our chicken. It's still available. We are still growing them. This is it's above 8 weeks now. It's still growing. And we kept some of them for experiment. We're going to expose them later in the next video. Watch the video. Don't skip any of the tracks and share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Till then, for now, stay tuned to our channel and subscribe to our both channels also. Bye.